Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to do mods. No, so not mods, but you can get mods for stuff here. Like that's it right there. You put you type you press this, you do that, you wait for it to load. I already did it, but you can do it for yourself. Like if you have it already, just click that button. It's the easiest thing to do. Simply to smash that like button and subscribe. You press that, wait for it to load up. Be patient. It's not gonna take that long. Just be patient. Just think that you wait for it. Yes, and you do that. Then just mind me. I'm just minding my business. Let's just keep doing what we're doing here. And you press I already did it, but you have to do it for yourself. Don't make two. It's just that I have to show you how to do it. You press and you type like that. It's really easy. It's gonna do some weird things here. So write some code. Then you click. What you want to do is click that. And there it is. You're in. The thing, you can log in. If you have a personal account and you want to use it on your school Chromebook, you can log in on it. It's really easy. It's the easiest thing to do. For example, I already logged in. Wait for it. Yes, is when it loads up, it's gonna do this stuff, this kind of jiggly doing stuff, and you can search anything on it. Like me, I want to watch. I want to watch some Boruto for free. You can do all that kind of stuff. Just scroll, and there you have it. And it also works. This thing, you can click on it. It's gonna work. So that's all for this video, guys. And any suggestion, if you have any suggestions, just go to my account. I'm going to put my account on the screen right now, and never mind. And I'll see you next time. Bye.